Hello and welcome to PPRANSS, a key technique to mastering non-verbal reasoning questions. To help you with the non-verbal reasoning section in your 11 Plus exam, we advise you to memorize the mnemonic PPRANSS. Let's see what each letter stands for. The first P is position. The second P is pattern. R is for rotation. A is for angle. N is for number. The first S is for symmetry. And the last S is for shape. Memorize PPRANSS to help you with all the 11 Plus non-verbal reasoning questions. Let's put PPRANSS into practice.
To watch the full video and to have a go at our 11 Plus practice quizzes, go to ariatuition.com. That wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.